For our sample problem number 1 on the topic properties of triangle, two sides of a triangle are 10 cm and 25 cm respectively. Compute the probable maximum perimeter of a triangle. Now, ang magiging solution natin dito, hindi siya actually involving complex computation or a formula. So, it's more of conceptual solution lang. Kailangan natin tundan pagdating kay triangles. So, drawing ko muna, let's say, ito yung ating triangle. So, we have side A, side B, and side C. So, pagdating kay triangle, ang relationship ng bawat sides kasi meron tayong sinusunod. Dapat yung ating C, side C is always less than the sum of the other two sides. So, applying it on all the sides natin, pwede rin namang si angle B, less than dapat to dun sa sum ng A plus C. And so is side A dapat less than siya dun sa sum ng side B plus C natin. So, ito yung ginagamit na checklist no, para masabi kung totoo ba talagang triangle yung binigay na dimensions. So, possibly kasi magbigay ng tatlong side tapos sabihin triangle yun. Pero in fact, hindi talaga siya triangle. So, meron ka lang tatlong lengths. So, possibly kasi nagbigay ng mga randomly selected sides of a triangle. So, possible na ito yung itsura. So, pag drawing natin, hindi talaga sila lalapat as isang triangle. So, merong opening. So, hindi talaga siya isang closed na triangle. So, yun yung nangyayari kapag hindi nasusunod itong relationship na ito, no? So, basically dito, dapat yung sum ng dalawang side natin is less than or is always greater than the third side regardless kung anong side yung piliin natin. So, dito meron tayong dalawang side, no? So, ang pinapahanap is the probable maximum perimeter of the triangle. And when we say perimeter of a triangle, so, diba, this is the sum ng tatlong side natin. So, dito meron ng length ng dalawang side. So, that's 10 and 25 cm. So, let's say, ito na lang si side A, ito si side B. So, yung perimeter natin, 10 plus 25 plus the length ng side C natin na hindi pa natin alam. So, ang hinahanap kasi dito, ano daw yung possible na maximum perimeter ng ating triangle. So, following this rule, dapat daw yung sum ng A plus B is always greater than the side C natin. Therefore, dito, yung possible values lang ng ating side C, so dapat this is less than doon sa sum ng dalawang side natin. So, pag kinumpute natin to, dapat si C ay less than 35 cm. Now, dito kasi wala namang binanggit na dapat naka-decimal. So, siguro assume na lang muna natin just for this problem na naka-whole number yung length ng C. So, sabi natin, dapat always less than si C kahit 35. So, ano ba yung pinakamalaking value in whole number na pwede natin gamitin para hindi siya equal or greater than 35. So, for this, we can say that si C ay dapat equal siya kay 34 cm. So, not equal, not greater than 35 cm. So, ito na ngayon yung gagamitin nating side C to compute for the perimeter. That's 10. Or lagyan na lang natin, this is 35 plus 34. So, ang probable maximum perimeter natin ay 69 cm. So, this is our answer for this problem. Hindi na talaga siya, ginamitan ng formula or complex computation, no? Just applying the concept.